Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are talking about how to close your Stripe account. The process is very simple. First, log into your Stripe account by visiting stripe.com and entering your credentials. Next, click on the settings icon and then click on settings again. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on close account. Finally, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email, and your Stripe account will be permanently deleted. That's how you can close your Stripe account. The process was very simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.